Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Ripple lawsuit resolution would be epic for crypto. Capital Venture founder predicts expectations are high for the outcome of the ongoing Ripple lawsuit, and there are many optimistic predictions about how the crypto industry might react if Ripple wins. Dan Gambardello, the founder of Crypto Capital Venture, predicts that the resolution of the Ripple case will be monumental for the whole cryptocurrency industry. He continues by saying that this could be a defining moment that ushers in the bottom of the bear market. The timeline calls for the replies to the motions for summary judgment to be presented by November 30th. At that point, all briefings will be finished, and Judge Torres' final ruling will be anticipated. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, is hopeful that the case will not go to trial because he thinks the judge has enough evidence to decide without a jury. The landmark lawsuit, according to Garlinghouse, will be decided by a judge, not a jury. If this is the case, it may indicate that the case's resolution might come sooner. Garlinghouse predicts a resolution in the first half of 2023. Defense attorney James K. Phelan is hopeful for a sooner time frame, as he predicts that District Judge Torres will rule on both the expert motions and the summary judgment motion simultaneously, on or before March 31, 2023. Expectations remain positive once resolved. The Ripple SEC case could have far-reaching implications for the crypto industry. Former congressional candidate and founder of Gokhshtein Media, David Gokhshtein, is hopeful that Ripple will win the SEC lawsuit for two reasons. First, the clarity it will bring, and second, the XRP community that fought hard and stood its ground will be rewarded. XRP wipes $800 million from its market cap in a day as buying pressure cools off. XRP has enjoyed a sustained rally in recent weeks despite the general cryptocurrency market operating in bearish conditions. Notably, the asset has received a boost from the ongoing case between its parent company Ripple and the Securities Exchange Commission, SEC. However, the token is now experiencing sustained selling pressure, losing about $790 million in market capitalization within a day. As things stand, XRP has a market cap of $19.29 billion as of November 28, according to CoinMarketCap data. Indeed, the selling pressure is replicated on the asset's price, which has corrected almost 5% to trade at 38 cents by press time. Despite the short-term losses, the weekly chart shows XRP has recorded gains of almost 9%. XRP price analysis. Although XRP's dropping valuation can be tied to the prevailing market condition, there is also a likelihood investors are also taking profits from the asset's recent rally. Notably, the correction has dented hopes by the XRP community for the asset to reclaim the 50 cents level with a focus on $1. It is also worth noting that the 38 cents level has acted as a critical resistance zone, and breaching the area could lead to a possible price correction. Overall, if the bears exert more dominance on XRP, the token will likely correct to 35 cents. XRP technical analysis. Amid XRP's sustained selling pressure, the token's technical analysis is bearish, with a summary of the daily gauges on TradingView pointing to sell at 14 while moving averages are for a strong sell at 12. Elsewhere, oscillators are neutral at 8. At the same time, as the XRP and the general crypto market attempt to move forward from the FTX crypto exchange collapse, the token will be looking for a boost from the ongoing SEC case. In recent months, XRP has tended to record a price rally when Ripple hits minor wins in the case. At the same time, as the case nears a conclusion, it's speculated that both parties will look to settle the matter. If the case favors Ripple, XRP will rally and influence the general market. In this line, the asset has recently recorded increased social activity, with the community remaining bullish on its prospects. As reported by Finbold, the community on CoinMarketCap is projecting that XRP will trade at 42 cents by the end of 2022. Putin wants to create new worldwide payment system. Is Ripple and XRP involved? Over the weekend, Russian President Vladimir Putin raised the proposal of building a new blockchain-based global payment system for international settlements. Putin said that the new system shall involve a digital currency for transactions and must be independent of banks and third-party interferences. The latest announcement from the Russian president came while speaking at a Sberbank-organized artificial intelligence conference. Mr. Putin said that the existing global payments and financial transactions between countries are in jeopardy. This has been mainly due to the rising tensions between Russia and the West. Also, since the Ukraine invasion, the West has cut off Russia from the SWIFT banking systems. The sanctions have also prohibited Russia from accessing billions of dollars of its own reserves placed in global banks. Speaking on the development, President Putin said, "BlockFi used FTX funds to pay SEC fines?" Inquiry's Ripple Counsel crypto lender BlockFi is reportedly preparing for bankruptcy filing. However, General Counsel of Ripple found something fishy in SEC deal. Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, led the FTX crash has impacted the crypto market in the worst way possible. Crypto lender BlockFi is reportedly preparing for bankruptcy filing due to its extensive exposure to FTX. However, Ripple Counsel has raised some crucial questions over the FTX BlockFi connection and its US SEC settlement. FTX paid for BlockFi SEC deal? SEC in a release mentioned that it has pressed charges against BlockFi for failing to register the sales and offers of its lending product. The commission highlighted that this is the first of its kind of action taken against crypto lending platforms. Stuart Alder-OT, General Counsel of Ripple, has found something fishy in the BlockFi and SEC settlement. He stated that nothing was ever registered as per the BlockFi SEC deal. He inquired about the first two payments on the $100 million fine and asked if they were ever made. Ripple General Counsel call on the SEC to show BlockFi ability to pay and their source of funds. While FTX shows a $250 million loan to the crypto lending platform. However, now customer funds are blocked. This creates doubt that did BlockFi paid the fine and did any of the funds for that fine come from FTX? Who paid the fines then? Alder-OT slammed the SEC for marking the BlockFi deal as another win for regulation by enforcement. Meanwhile, the troubled lending platform left the customers holding the bag. David Schwartz, Ripple CTO, stated that this can turn out to be worse. As BlockFi borrowing funds from FTX for paying fines can be connected to BlockFi assets being stored in the crypto exchange. He added that the SEC may have made BlockFi financially so weak that they had no choice but to store digital assets at FTX. This may have helped them to operate and certainly led to collapse. Ripple execs blame SEC for BlockFi demise and receipt of stolen funds as the legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, enters the home stretch. The fintech is throwing one more punch. As News BTC reported, November 30th and December 5th could be key dates that reveal a possible settlement agreement between the two disputants. Regardless, Ripple's legal counsel and chief technology officer, CTO, continue to go full steam ahead in their confrontation with the SEC, harshly criticizing its enforcement policies against the crypto industry. Stuart Alder-OT, Ripple's general counsel, echoed the SEC's recently released annual report in which the agency praised itself. The report shows that the commission brought 760 enforcement actions this year, a 9% increase from last year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.